Welcome, fifth grade students coming into sixth grade. I am Mr. Hoffman. I'm going to be teaching you sixth grade math. My mission in life is to fear the planet of, maybe even the universe, of mathophobes. And I don't mean get rid of the people or the beings that are afraid of math. I mean get the fear of the math out of the people or the beings, so to speak. Here's what we're going to be learning this year. We're looking at integers, rational numbers, fractions, and decimals. There you go. And expressions and equations. That's the first semester half of the year. Next, starting like in January, right? Rates and ratios, geometry and statistics. Let's give you a little bit of fun of what a little sneak peek of what some of this stuff's going to look like. Starting with this is our ratio. I'm sorry, this is our integers and rational numbers. Here we go. What's integers and rational numbers? Well, integers, anything on the number line going this direction, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to infinity and beyond. But it's also going in this direction from negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to negative infinity and beyond. Wait a second. What? Whoa, whoa, this is crazy. I think I just entered another dimension. The Demogorgon's after me. I need help. Somebody. Oh, there's Grogu. Demogorgon, Grogu. Here we go. Go away, Demogorgon, because I got Grogu. Grogu, high five. Yeah, let's go. See what I did there? I like to get crazy silly. Speaking of crazy silly, did you hear about the student who was afraid of negative numbers? Yeah, well, you probably did, but just in case, yeah, he'll stop at nothing to avoid them. Get it? He doesn't like it. You know what? I'm just going to give you a little nudge here. No, no, Mr. Hoffman, don't worry. I got Grogu for you. He's got your back. Get it? Oh, there you go. Good kid. Yes, we're going to make sure that you can do that too. You will not be afraid of those negative numbers. We're going to take these integers and add them. We're going to subtract them, multiply, and divide them. Okay, what's next on the agenda? After integers and rational numbers, fractions and decimals. Oh, everybody loves some fractions and decimals. We're going to make friends with fractions. We're going to dance with decimals. Fractions like these. What are we going to do with these things? Well, we're going to do stuff like, you guessed it, operations. Add them, subtract them, multiply, and divide them. Yes, and these two characters here, multiple monster and a vector ninja, is going to be very helpful when we're working with fractions, just saying. And decimals, ooh, I love this. This is new. Check this out. This is brilliant. Okay, so how do cows add, subtract, multiply, and divide with decimals? Oh, with a wait for it. A calculator. Oh man, you guys get to use a calculator, four function calculator. So this is going to be a piece of cake with dairy, a lot of dairy to wash that cake down. Okay. Now, after fractions and decimals, expressions and equations. What's that going to look like? Oh, here we go. See this? This is called an expression. There's no equal sign. Oh, I know. I'm teaching you too. I'm teaching too much. I'm just want to give you a preview. These are my dogs. My dogs here, if you could, as kindly if you would, they're looking a little bit like they need some encouragement, but they have something they can teach you, and they are going to be very effective at it. But if you could just please encourage my dogs and smile, and they're going to teach you something very valuable. They're going to teach you how to take some numbers like this with a bunch of different operations and turn it into something like boom, 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 boom. This, yes, simplify it. It's called evaluate. We're going to evaluate it. Yes, you are valuable. We are all very valuable. hmm And we're going to go bananas with algebra. That's going to be helpful. And these things are called exponents. So you know what that is? Take a look. See if you can figure it out in about 2 seconds. 1, 2, time's up. You'll have more time during the year. Don't worry, you'll figure it out. Here's a big hint, though. Here's a big hint. What is the mathematician's favorite tools? Yep, multipliers. Can't get enough. Can't get enough. I know. My wife always goes cricket, cricket, and my grandma, my dog's grandma, which is my mother-in-law, always goes get the hook. You can call me Mr. Cheese, Mr. Hook, Mr. Cricket, Mr. Cringe, Captain Cringe, Cheese Hook, Cricket Man. I think we got it there. Okay, let's go. So welcome. So we covered the first half of the year. Should we dive into this? Let's go into the second half of the year. We'll make it a little bit quicker. These pigs and ducks will teach us about ratios. When pigs fly, they will. But pigs, there they go. Remember this commercial? Maybe you haven't seen it. It's great. The pig's flying. But I think that's a good omen because it's going to allow us to get all of our ducks. I think we're going to be able to get all of our ducks. Yeah, you. In a row. Okay, so we covered rates and ratios, geometry. Okay, so what's a math teacher's favorite kind of tree? Oh, a geometry. I tried arguing with a 90-degree angle. Turns out he's right. Okay, can't get enough dad jokes. So we're going to be seeking, we're going to learn about these three-dimensional shapes. We also are going to be learning about the names of these three-dimensional shapes. We're going to be learning about these things called nets. Yep. Swish, 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 swish. Yep, all net. Yeah, all net. By the way, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Did I mention we'll be learning about percents this year? I can't wait for you to meet QB. Take a look at QB. Watch QB very closely. Did you catch it? If you blink, you might miss it. Wink, wink, nod, nod. Here we go again. QB's so cute. Well, QB and his friends will be helping us learn about volume this year. Okay, what's next? So we got geometry, statistics. That's it. We're almost through the whole year. Basically, I've just taught you everything you need to know for the whole year. You could probably just pay me my paycheck for the year and then, go take your test. Not quite, but probably not a bad start though. I tell you what. Oh, we're going to learn about data everywhere. We're going to take all this scary data and we're going to turn it into something that we could understand, more meaningful, that make it more friendly. Yeah. So long for now. I can't wait to get more dive into this, jump right into a lot of this stuff, and look forward to learning about you, and you motivating me, and we'll be a great team, and we're gonna rock. Peace.